If the Engwe M20 were to spontaneously appear at your doorstep, you would notice that the Engwe M20 electric bike boasts a robust and modern design, catering to both style and functionality. The bike's frame, painted in a deep green, exudes a sense of elegance and adventure. This color choice is both eye-catching and practical, blending well with urban environments and nature trails alike. The frame structure is designed to be sturdy yet sleek, ensuring durability while maintaining a streamlined appearance. A key feature of this electric bike is its comfortable saddle, upholstered in a rich brown, leather-like material. This adds a touch of sophistication to the overall look while ensuring a comfortable ride. The saddle's ergonomic design supports long rides without compromising comfort. The bike is equipped with large, thick tires that suggest it is built for various terrains. These fat tires enhance stability and grip, making the bike suitable for both smooth rides and rugged paths. The rims are solid and well crafted, complementing the overall rugged aesthetic of the bike. The front suspension fork is prominently featured, highlighting the bike's capability to handle rough terrain. This suspension system is crucial for providing a smooth ride, absorbing shocks, and ensuring the rider's comfort on uneven surfaces. The black battery pack is seamlessly integrated into the frame's design, positioned centrally for optimal weight distribution. This placement not only enhances the bike's balance, but also contributes to its sleek look. The bike includes a robust headlight, mounted centrally on the handlebars, ensuring visibility during night rides. This feature is essential for safety and adds a futuristic element to the bike's design. Additionally, the bike is equipped with reflectors on the wheels, further enhancing visibility and safety. The Engwe electric bike is a harmonious blend of style, comfort, and practicality. Its deep green frame, complemented by brown accents and advanced features, make it an attractive choice for both urban commuters and adventure seekers. With its sturdy build, powerful tires, and ergonomic design, this electric bike promises a reliable and enjoyable riding experience. Alright, let's get this bike unboxed. First, I remove the packaging straps and open the box by carefully removing the tape and pulling the box free of the staples. Then I laid the box down. I slid the e-bike out carefully, stand the e-bike up, and remove all zip ties and protective foam, revealing the sleek design of the Engwe M20 e-bike. From bestbuygear.com. Install the handlebars by loosening the bolts on the e-bike stem, centering the handlebars and rotating them to align to your preferred riding position before tightening the bolts securely. For the front wheel, loosen the bolts of the protective bar on the front fork. Add the front wheel and tighten the bolts to ensure it is secure. The pedals are clearly marked for the left and right sides, matching the pedal stems. Screw in the pedals and use a wrench to further tighten them easily. Install the front headlamp by loosening the bolts on the fork brace, attaching the headlamp, and then adjusting its orientation to face forward. The dual moped style headlight design is a first on this channel. The Engwe M20 stands out with its rugged off-road ready appearance. The bike's frame is constructed of lightweight aluminum alloy, making it 40% lighter than those made of high carbon steel. This green-colored model features a streamlined design inspired by nature, blending aerodynamics with durability. The dual suspension system, composed of a front hydraulic shock and a rear air shock absorber, ensures a smooth ride across varied terrains. The bike's 20 by 4-inch fat tires are built with a 3-layer design, including imported rubber, carbon nano braiding, and a rubber inner tube. These layers work together to provide excellent shock absorption and durability, allowing the bike to handle everything from city streets to rugged mountain paths. The dual disc brakes on both the front and back wheels are designed for quick heat dissipation, ensuring safe and reliable stopping power in all conditions. The Engwe M20 is powered by a robust 750-watt motor capable of reaching peak power of 1,000 watts. This powerful motor allows the bike to accelerate quickly and tackle steep inclines with ease. Equipped with a SHIMANO 7-speed derailleur, the M20 provides smooth and accurate gear shifting. The drivetrain is composed of high-quality components that enhance the bike's overall performance and reliability. An LCD display is mounted on the handlebars, providing real-time information on speed, battery level, and mileage, and other critical data, all which can be easily viewed even in direct sunlight. Taking the Engwe M20 for a ride in the North Georgia mountains was a thrilling experience. The dual suspension system provided its worth, smoothing out the bumps and ruts of the mountain trails. The fat tires provided excellent traction and stability, even on loose gravel and muddy paths. The powerful motor handled the steep inclines with ease, only forcing me to pedal on hills that don't quit. The bike's high brightness front LED light was particularly useful during early morning and late evening rides, ensuring the path ahead was well illuminated. The sturdy frame and comfortable seat made long rides more enjoyable, reducing fatigue and discomfort. The disc brakes were responsive and reliable, providing confidence when descending steep and uneven trails. The North Georgia mountains are a beautiful and challenging place to ride an electric bike, with their rolling hills and dense forest and winding trails. The Engwe M20 electric bike, with its powerful motor, dual suspension system, and rugged design, proved to be the perfect companion for exploring the stunning landscape. Before setting off on the ride, I ensured the Engwe M20 was fully charged and tires inflated to around 80% of inflation capacity. The bike's LCD display, which showed real-time information on speed, battery level, and mileage, was essential for planning the journey and monitoring performance. The ride began on a cool, crisp morning. The air was fresh and the sky was a brilliant shade of blue. As I set off, I was immediately impressed with the smooth acceleration of the Engwe M20. The powerful 750-watt motor, capable of reaching peak power of 1,000 watts, allowed me to quickly gain speed and tackle the initial inclines with ease. The dual suspension system, composed of a front hydraulic shock and a rear air shock absorber, provided a comfortable ride over the rough terrain. One of the highlights of the ride was encountering wildlife along the way. The North Georgia mountains are home to a diverse range of animals, and I was lucky enough to see several deer grazing near the trails. They seemed unfazed by my presence, continuing to feed and move gracefully through the forest. The quiet operation of the Engwe M20's electric motor allowed me to observe these beautiful creatures without disturbing them. One of the most challenging aspects of riding in the North Georgia mountains is the steep inclines. However, the Engwe M20 was more than up for the task. The powerful motor provided ample torque, allowing me to climb even the steepest hills without breaking a sweat. SHIMANO's 7-speed derailleur offers smooth and precise gear shifting, making it easy to adjust to the changing gradients. As I climbed higher, the views became more spectacular. The dense forest opened up to reveal breathtaking vistas of the surrounding mountains and valleys. The crisp, clean air and the sense of achievement from conquering the challenging climbs made the effort worthwhile. While climbing the hills was a test of the bike's power and gearing, descending them was a test of its braking and handling capabilities. The dual disc brakes provided smooth and controlled deceleration even on the steepest slopes. The bike's fat tires and dual suspension system absorbed the shocks from the rough terrain, allowing me to maintain control and stability throughout the descent. The North Georgia mountains are crisscrossed with a network of trails, each offering its own unique challenges and rewards. I explored several of these trails, each one offering a different perspective on the landscape. Some trails wound through dense forest, while others followed ridgelines, offering panoramic views of the surrounding mountains. The Engwe M20 had performed flawlessly so far, and I took a moment to appreciate the thought and engineering that had gone into its design. The lightweight aluminum alloy frame, the powerful motor, the dual suspension system, and the fat tires all worked together to create a bike that was perfectly suited for the challenging terrain of the North Georgia mountains. As the sun began to set, casting a golden glow over the mountains, I started the final stretch of my ride. The trails led me back to the lower elevations, where the terrain was less challenging but no less beautiful, the Engwe M20 continued to perform flawlessly with a dual suspension system and fat tires, providing a smooth and comfortable ride. The final descent was a thrilling end to the day's adventure. The trail wound its way down the mountain, offering sweeping views of the surrounding landscape. The dual disc brakes provided confident stopping power, allowing me to navigate the switchbacks and steep sections with ease. Riding the Engwe M20 electric bike in the North Georgia mountains was an unforgettable experience. The bike's powerful motor, dual suspension system, and fat tires made it perfectly suited for the challenging terrain, while its lightweight frame and reliable braking system ensured a safe and enjoyable ride. Thanks for watching, and if you're new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and join us on this electrifying journey. This is Jeremy Vinny signing off. We'll see you on the next one.